The top 5 meals to eat to lose weight. Here are 5 tasty, nutrient-dense meals that can help with weight loss. 1. Roasted veggies and grilled chicken breast. Due to the high protein and fiber content of this meal, you may feel fuller for longer. Roast some veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots with a little olive oil and herbs while grilling a chicken breast with a little season. 2. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Broiled salmon with sweet potato and spinach. Add some steamed spinach for an additional vitamin boost, along with a baked sweet potato for fiber and nutrients. 3. Quinoa is a fantastic source of protein and fiber, while black beans are an excellent source of iron and added protein in a quinoa and black bean bowl. Fresh vegetables like tomatoes, avocados, and bell peppers should be added. A mild dressing or salsa should then be drizzled on top. 4. Chili may be cooked with lean ground turkey, kidney beans, chopped tomatoes, and seasonings for a robust and full supper. For more fiber and nutrition, serve it with some brown rice or a baked sweet potato. 5. Vegetable and egg white omelet. Vegetables like spinach, mushrooms, and bell peppers can contribute fiber and nutrients, while egg whites are a fantastic source of protein. For flavor, sprinkle on some low-fat cheese, and add some fresh salsa on top for some more heat. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.